Come test drive the 2019 Ioniq Plug-In Hybrid. The sleek-looking Hyundai Ioniq Plug-In Hybrid offers a nice, quiet ride while providing ample comfort. The Ioniq was built with efficiency in mind, but it will still give you a sporty driving experience and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, security system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.